wants us to use a probability tree, and when you do that, it's A and not A, and then B and not B. Some students mistakenly want to make the very first branch A and B, and it's not A and B, it's A and not A. And then filling in what's given. Probability of A is 0.3, so that means not A, must be 0.7. And then the next part says the probability that it's not B after we've A'd is 0.1. So 0.1 goes down there on that branch. 0.9 would go up there. And then the rest of that says if we didn't A, the likelihood that we B'd was 0.2. So the likelihood we don't B is 0.8. Now the next thing we need to do is do all this multiplication. And as I multiply down my branches, I'm going to write that over here. I'd recommend doing that for all the problems, even if you don't end up needing all of that stuff. All right, so I'd make sure those four numbers add up to 1. And now the two questions are these. What's the probability of A given B? And what's the probability of A given not B? So on the first part, the probability of A given B, I'm telling you that it's B. I'm telling you it's one of these cases. So those things that I circled go on the bottom of the fraction, 0.27 plus 0.14. Out of those cases, which one's A? The 0.27. So that's 0.27 over 0.41, and that rounds off to 0.6585. Now in the next problem, or the next part of this problem, they've said, what if we don't B? So that's the two numbers I didn't circle, 0.03 plus 0.56. Of those numbers that I didn't circle, which ones are A? The 0.03. So that's 0.03 divided by 0.59, which is 0.0508.